actually, I forgot to talk in that scene, so, you know, I'm just gonna keep driving until, and I can't wait to show, my friends that I got, 3 fidget cubes and 3 fidget spinners. How cool is that? Good luck. And now I just go ahead and show my friends. Hey guys, is anybody in here? Anybody? Anybody in here? Whoa, dude, did you just pop out of nowhere? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I did. Dude, you kind of stuttered right there. But anyways, yeah, that's not the point. How do you do that? I'm magic, boy. Okay, well, anyways, you want to see some fidget spinners and fidget cubes? What's that? Oh, they're like fidgeting toys, you know? Like, have you heard of a fidgeting stick? And a fidget, remote, whatever it is? Yes, I actually did. Well then, it's kind of like that. Hold on, let me get it. Boom, boom, wait, no. Boom, 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 and boom. Oh, dude, those look cool. Can you make it where the camera could see it too? I guess so. Okay, camera, go that way. Whoa, those looks... Whoa, dude, those look so cool. Where'd you get them? I got them at... actually... I got a couple of them from the mail. And I just got... You know. Dude, that's cool, but... Anyways, how'd they work? I don't know. Okay, let me just grab them real quick. Grab one of them real quick. It's like a fishing toy. Like, these things roll down like this. You swerve this like this. There's this thing right here which seems weird, strange. See? But I actually saw a video that says something about this. You want to see it? Yes, I do. Please, I want to watch it. But I forgot to tell you, it's about fidget cubes versus fidget spinners. Are you sure you want to see it? Yes, I really want to see which one's better. It's not that great, but yeah, it's better than no video about it, right? Okay. And also, actually, never mind. I'll tell you at the, Clyde or me will tell you at the end of the video. But come on, let's go. Okay, dude, you ready to see it? Oh boy, do I. Yeah, no, it looks strange at first. There's a Peter Rabbit toy right over there. You see it? Yeah, yeah, I see it. I'm not that weird, you know. Okay, well, let's just watch the video. Just press this. Oh, it should be starting 3 o'clock. Clyde, wasn't that a good video? Yeah, I thought it was good. That was good. Give me a high five. I can't reach, man. How you just go ahead and do it. High five. Yeah, good job. But anyways, yeah, we got these fidget cubes right here. Spread them out. So 3 fidget spinners and 3 fidget cubes. Yeah, I guess. Wasn't that funny, cameraman? Do you love me? Actually, you're just a raccoon, and I like you, but I don't, like, really love you, or I just want to marry you, okay? Okay, fine, okay. But I am Timmy Raccoon, and I kind of do have some problems with me. I have one eye, the right eye. Wait, where's the right eye? Right here. Right eye's blind. I have a hip problem, and wait, I forgot what the other one was again. What is it? Hold on, let me get a script. Give me the script. There is no script. But there's no script. Yeah, I don't even know what my third problem is, and I had to deal with it. Well, anyways, let's just add our friends and other friends into this video, shall we? Okay, let's go. Hey there, I'm Frankie, and I am one of their friends. And also, if you want to get watered to death, that might happen if you try to fight me. It also happened to Pikachu, too. Hey there, I'm David the Creeper, and if I explode, I will not die. So, just trying to put that out there. I'm a high flyer, and I like laying down and also flying around like this, see? So yeah. That's all, folks. And also, here's some bonus footage. Hey guys, I'm Clyde. I decided to show you, so I'm about to tell you the end of the video part. So, you know, all these stuff right here, they're all mine, but one of them were actually someone else's here. Let me just go ahead and grab it. This one was given to us by Abby. Abby is actually a friend of the cameraman's friend. Well, it's not exactly a friend, but she knew that he liked fidget cubes, so he gave him this. So that was really nice of her. If she watches this video, I will be so happy, and I think she'll be happy too. But you know, fidget cubes and fidget spinners. There, all these other ones I had to, cameraman had to buy, but you know, there's more. There always will be more of these videos. There will be always more of these videos. So I'll hopefully see you on next time, and we actually made the fidget spinner versus fidget cube video. So if you would like to check that out, then go ahead, go to that video. It's fidget cubes versus fidget spinners, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.